When you visit to a tile showroom, you might have heard this word called ceramic tile or porcelain tile. But is it same? Well, the answer is no. So watch this video till the end because we are going to cover what is the ceramic tile and porcelain tile, and we will tell you what is the main difference in 5 simple ways. So the first point is water absorption. Water absorption for porcelain tile is less than 0.5%, which is almost zero. So that makes an ideal choice for choosing porcelain tile for the wet areas.
Ceramic, on the other hand, has more water absorption than the porcelain tile. It typically is between the range of 4 to 15%.
Second point is strength. Porcelain tiles are stronger than ceramic tiles, which makes an ideal choice for choosing it on the floor application. Outdoors or indoors, you choose anywhere. Porcelain tiles works best for the flooring material.
Ceramic tile, on the other hand, has little bit weaker or little bit less strength than the porcelain tile. So it is ideal to use it for the wall applications such as the bathroom walls or kitchen backsplash. Ceramic tile can also be used in the flooring. For example, if there is a low traffic area such as a bathroom floor or even a bedroom floor, you can do it with the ceramic tile, but it's not recommended for the high traffic area or commercial spaces.
Third point is sizes and surfaces. Porcelain tile comes in the smallest size called 1 by 1 inches to the largest slab such as 5 by 10 feet. So that's huge. And for the surfaces, it comes with polished, matte, 3D carved, high gloss, satin, velvet, and anti-slip and whatnot.
With the ceramic tiles, the surfaces are very limited because it's mostly used for the wall application. So it typically comes in the glossy and matte. But nowadays, it's also coming in different applications such as the carving in porcelain or even the granular glue or sugar finish, which is typical for the decor tiles. In terms of the sizes of the ceramic tiles, it comes mostly in the smaller formats such as the subway size like 4 by 12, 3 by 6. Those are the typical sizes for the subway ceramic body. But it also can be available in the market up to 24 by 48, which is too big for the ceramic. And the ideal size for the wall tiles other than the subway size would be 12 by 24 and 12 by 36.
Fourth point is application. So porcelain tiles can be applied everywhere that you can imagine, be it living room, bedroom, furniture or bathroom or outdoors or terrace. Everywhere that you imagine, porcelain tiles can be there.
For the ceramic tiles, the application is limited because you cannot use it for the high traffic area, as I told you earlier. Earlier, people used to use ceramic, but nowadays, because of the porcelain, it's not easily recommended by the architects and by the law to use the ceramic tile for the strength and better anti-slip property which you can get in the porcelain. But if you want something exclusive or something more decorative than the porcelain, then ceramic is your thing, because in ceramic they come in different kinds of textures, different kinds of decors, various relief and decor tile. So you can easily have a wide range of options in the ceramic tiles for the wall application. So the application would be typically for the kitchen backsplash, for the bathroom shower area, or even any of the decorative indoor walls which can be made of the ceramic wall tile.
Nowadays it is a trend right now going for small format size for the wall application. It becomes trending. It is becoming and like having an art form in there.
For the small size, you can use both porcelain or ceramic as per the application.
So the last and fifth point is pricing, which is very much important point.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Porcelain tile is expensive when compared to ceramic tiles, but is it worth? Well, it is worth having porcelain tile for your interiors, for floor applications if you are looking for it, because it has lots of advantages to it, as I mentioned earlier.
For ceramic tiles, it's relatively cheaper than the porcelain tiles. If you're looking like 12 by 24 in porcelain and in 12 by 24 in ceramic, then ceramic option would be cheaper. So if you are looking for a cheaper alternative, the ceramic is always your ideal choice. But it's not true like always, because sometimes if the tile is exclusively made in the smaller format, such as 3x6 in a hand molded look or something like that, with a special application of a glaze and ink and everything, then the price goes high. Some of the ceramic tile is even expensive than the porcelain tiles, especially the ones with the application such as the metallic glaze or the glue glaze. If you are into such decorative pieces, then of course there is no other choice than the ceramic. Then it can be a little bit expensive, but in general it's cheaper. So these are the 5 points which we described in this video, and it will help you in understanding the difference between the ceramic and the porcelain tile and which you should choose for your project. And if you like such videos, then do check out our channel and hit the subscribe button to support our channel. And we will see you in the next video.